Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Bexar County County Court at Law number 6 in the Bexar County Veterans Treatment Court weekly arraignment docket. Today is Tuesday, November 2nd, year of our Lord 2021. And I'm going to have 3 questions for you today. Number 1, are you in touch with your defendant? Number 2, have you received an offer from the state? And number 3, do you know what you want to do if the first 2 are complied with? If you lose track of your defendant, you need to let Pat and me know, and we need to issue an FDA warrant in the nicest possible way. If you find them again, we'll recall the warrant. No hard feelings. If you want to avoid call dockets in the future, all you really got to do is comply with those 3 questions and let Pat know. And then you can waive your arraignment, and we won't have to bother you again. All right. Have we got Hector Gonzalez with us? Claudine, are you with us?
Hi.
I'm not even going to use Hector's name anymore. I'm just wasting everybody's time. All right, what's going on with Pete Barella, please?
Pete Barella, we are in touch with Mr. Barella. We are in touch with the state as well. We've sent the DD 214 and letters from the insurance company to the ADAs, and we're just waiting to hear back from them. They were going to possibly change the offer, so we just need a little more time on this one, please.
It looks like Mr. Barella is a veteran. Are y'all applying to the Veterans Treatment Court?
I want to say he didn't qualify for whatever reason.
Chris, are you on board? Is this guy on your radar?
He was on the radar, Judge, and we, after pre-screening, deemed no-go for VTC.
Okay, that's all we need to know. Okay, so did you tell me, Claudine, y'all have received an offer, or y'all are waiting to hear about restitution before we can do that?
Yeah, they're possibly amending the offer based on getting him to send in the DD 214 and letters from insurance, so which we have done.
Megan, is this gentleman on your radar?
It is, Judge. It is, Judge. So there are multiple complainants in this case. I'm still trying to get a hold of one that was not addressed in the restitution. So if Claudine wants to come back later, we can speak, or I can have a week and contact her.
Let's do this, Claudine, with your permission. Let's just reset this for a jury trial, which moves the end game into January. And if y'all get it resolved before then, great. Let's let Pat know. In the meantime, I'm not nickel and diming you, bring it back every week or 2 to mess with it. Is that fair?
Sounds good, Judge. Thank you.
Okay with you, State?
Yes, Your Honor, that's fine.
That's the plan on that one. And Claudine, what's going on with Carlos Landeros, please?
We are in touch with him. Hector was supposed to reach out to the state again. And on this one, the deal was he was supposed to take some classes and put together a good guy packet. So he is still in the process of taking classes. So we need a little more time for him, but he does have a good guy packet.
And when you say taking classes, you mean proactively taking like EWI education and stuff?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Yes, Your Honor. I think he's missing
that's
class.
That doesn't punch my button. I'd rather get these cases resolved. I don't care if he does them before he comes on board or whether he does them while he's on board on probation. As long as he does them, he's going to have plenty of time to do it. So if that's what's slowing you down on working it out, don't let that slow you down.
I think the state was going to consider amending the offer on that one as well. Let's see.
State, whatever deals you make, don't let it slow down our progress on trying to resolve these things. If you tell somebody to take a class before you can make them an offer, or that's going to be based on the offer, you get that's going to slow us down a month or more before we can get this resolved. Just let them do it on probation. And I assure you, they'll do it, won't they, Claudine?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, they will. Anyway, so if that's what you're doing, don't do that. Otherwise, everything's good. How much time you need to reset to get that going, Claudine?
I would say just a couple of weeks, Your Honor.
All right, reset that one for 2. Is that okay, Megan?
Yes.
All right. And that's all I got for you, Claudine. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Tell Hector we're going to put his cute little face on milk carton, so somebody will turn him in as a missing child somewhere down the line.
You'd be better off putting it on a wine bottle. So.
Yeah, so I like the way you think. Okay, Gammon Gwynn, are you with us today?
Your Honor, I got an email from Gammon saying that because of the issues he's having with his throat and the treatments, he's asking to reassign his people right now. So I will reset that and get him new attorneys, just so that.
All right, that's all great. Thank you. So that takes care of 1, 2, 3 cases for Gammon, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Tony Hayek, I see you lurking out there. What's going on with Stephen Herrera, please?
I'm here, Judge. I'm on Stephen Herrera. I guess I need to talk to somebody.
And he's got two cases. One he's got a
Okay,
warrant out
ask her if
for. I
she's
don't know
got a
what the
good
second one is. First one's an evading. What's the second one? Do we know?
Assault causing bodily injury.
Okay. But it's not family violence?
You're asking me too many questions.
State, do you know if 664-944 is a family violence case or not?
No, Your Honor, I'm not sure if that one's a family violence case.
All right. Okay, so Tony, you are in contact with him, is that correct?
Yes.
Run this thing.
Yes, Pat.
Not me, it was Megan.
You what now? I'm sorry?
That was me, Your Honor. If you just give us
Oh.
1 second, we'll be able to give you an answer to that question.
Okay, so how much time do you need, Megan?
Judge, I was just going to respond to your question earlier. The other case, it is an assault family violence case.
It is? Positively it is?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Tell me if I were guessing, there's either a no contact order out on the victim at this time until y'all get something figured out, or there's going to be. So why don't you chat with him and see if we can't come up with a plan.
Sure, Judge.
All right, let's reset that one for, let's go 2 weeks with that one. That would work for you, Tony?
I guess, whatever that is. You know, I just got injured really bad.
What happened to you? Did your
Again.
parachute not open again? What happened?
Oh, man, I fell into this fire pit. That's all first-degree burns.
Oh my
Plus
God.
about the same amount on my leg and
How
stuff
do you
like
do
that.
these things? Where was this tar pit located?
In my backyard.
Oh, there's nobody we can sue?
No.
All right.
Tony, then
Try to be
the 2
careful.
weeks-
This is God's
the
way
two
of
weeks-
telling you to slow down.
Spent
The
8
2
days in
weeks-
Bamsey, and I'm just trying to catch on to everything.
2 weeks would be the 16th of November.
Oh, let's just go with that. It's probably gonna be
Okay.
good.
All right.
All right, you need more
So am I
time.
gonna
let us
talk to
know,
a
Tony.
prosecutor for a minute?
Nope, can't do it now. You can come back at 3:30 and do it, or I'll give you, you've got 2 weeks to do it since that's what we're resetting your cases in a time. frame.
I got it. Okay, thank you.
All right,
Bye.
thank you. Thank you,
Thank you,
Tony.
sir.
Ramiro, is Ramiro Estrada with us?
Your Honor, he got a diversion offer, so he is filling out the application. I am resetting that for 1 week. So he can do that.
They have not submitted their application yet, correct?
No, Your Honor, not yet. That's why I'm resetting it for 1 week.
All right, all good. Ricardo Briones, are you with us at this time?
I'm present, Your Honor. I have good contact with my client. I was tendered an offer from the state. I think my client wants a trial.
Okay.
All right, reset for jury trial, and that's the last we'll see of you for a while.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Merry Christmas.
You too.
Melissa Lesniak.
Yes, Judge. I have had contact with my client, Gilbert Hernandez, and he is online. I did file a motion to withdraw, and I'm checking on the Bexar County Clerk's website, and it looks like I'm no longer appointed to his
Okay.
case.
So I need to reassign.
Yes,
Are you
please.
moving out of town? Are you dumping us like a bad habit? What are you doing?
I am gone. I'm up in New Hampshire. I've been here since May. Since COVID is not very prevalent here, I need to find a full-time job. So I'm withdrawing from everything so I don't interrupt my full-time job with Zooms.
Okay.
What I'm,
We can
what
help
I'm
you
gonna
there.
ask, Melissa, if you have any contact information, if you could just email it, and that would help the attorney, whoever I'm going to assign.
Absolutely. I'll email it to you and you can forward it if that would work for you.
That helps tremendously. Thank you.
Okay,
All right, thanks,
Thank
Melissa.
you.
Good luck.
thank you.
Suzanne, are you with us?
Your Honor, Suzanne has contact with everybody. She asked me to reset. I think she wants them set for jury trials. You know.
Okay, that takes care of 3. Lee Cutter, I see you lurking. What's going on with Jamie Bustillo, please?
Can you hear me, Judge? I'm sorry. You caught me
I-
right as I was being
I
snarky.
think it's Jamie Bustillo.
James, yes, Your Honor, he's present as well. I do have contact with him. I don't believe I have an offer from the state, but honestly, I had asked my associate to handle this, so I could be wrong on that one. I do have an affidavit on that to handle it, and also have Mr. Hunt.
Can we reset for a week so that the state can get you an offer if they haven't already, or resend the offer they've already sent and y'all can figure it out?
If that's possible, yes, please, Judge.
All right, that's the plan. I've also got you down for a Tyree Hunt.
Yes, Mr. Hunt is also present with me, Judge, and all we're asking for, the court has ordered Smart Start. That's fine. He has complied. He has it. He can't afford it, and he owes me a lot of money. So we're asking for the court to waive just the fees if possible.
I'm sorry, you're asking for what now with Mr. Hunt?
To waive the fees, there's a defendant's motion to modify conditions of bond filed 10/27 of this
I
year.
don't have the authority, in my understanding and talking to our staff attorney, Brooke, I don't have the authority to waive fees on Smart Start Mobile and or Scram. I do have the authority to waive fees on GPS, but we don't have him on GPS, do we?
No, and the court graciously gave him that. Damn.
But
Okay.
all the money he's saving from drinking, he should have plenty of money to pay for his Smart Start Mobile device.
You know, he's a good guy, Judge. He works for Amazon. He's a veteran, and I will say that he does.
Is this the
comply with all
gentleman
things.
that you sent me his military record, a DD-214 on the other day?
Yes, sir.
He's not eligible for the VTC. He got some sort of colorful discharge, but other than that, the state can still make you a reasonable offer based on his military service, what I call.
I would like to do
VTC
that. Yes.
All
Yes.
right.
If we can resolve this, I think that would be advantageous to everyone. So,
Let's reset that one for a week too. Will that work?
yes, sir.
All right.
Miss
And that's
Cutter,
all I
do
got
you
for
have-
you.
Ms. Cutter, do you have the offer that was sent on September 30th?
You know, that's when I was out with, I got COVID. So
Okay,
you might have sent it, if you could, please, and I will go back. I thought I went through everything, but I may not have. So
I'll send it again.
thank you so much.
All right. Thanks, Lee. And Stacy, I see you out there. What's going on with Michael Moreno, please?
Hi, Judge. I do have contact with Michael. I do not believe I've received an offer from the state. I did reach out to Megan about this case, and I don't know if she got that email.
State, have you sent an offer to Ms. Kraus yet? Do we know?
Your Honor, we have not sent an offer at the moment. We're attempting to reach the complaining witness, and that's the reason we haven't sent an offer yet.
Let's reset 2 weeks, Stacy, so they can find the alleged complaining witness, and then they can make you an offer. Will that work?
That'll work great. Thank you, Judge.
All right. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
And Thomas Hilly. No, Thomas?
He was here,
Yes.
Your Honor.
Yes, Thomas, how are you doing?
Mr. Hilly, you're always here. You're like roaches.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Hey, talking about Stephanie Miranda.
Yes, I need an offer for 8 days time served, please.
So are you in contact with Miss Miranda?
Yes, and she would like to get time served. She has 8 days in jail, please.
It sounds like you're in Botswana. I can barely hear you.
Oh, I'm asking for an offer of 8 days time served, Your Honor.
All right, State, if you haven't already fired one off, please fire off Mr. Hilly an offer on Miss Miranda. Let's reset
Judge,
for a week.
an offer was tendered in this case. We are not willing to amend that offer. So if Mr. Healy is still going to continue asking for what he's asking for, I believe that should just be placed on the trial docket.
I never got your offer. Do you mind sending it again? Because I missed it. Please.
Yes, we will resend it.
Thank
Did
you.
you actually have a conversation with Mr. Hilly and he rejected your offer? Is that what your memory is?
No, I missed the offer email. I apologize. Too many emails. Sorry for that. I missed it. Sorry.
You want to put this on a
Thank
jury
you.
trial docket, Mr. Hilly?
Sure, but
All
I
right,
want the offer
let's
sent
do that.
for sure. Thank
And if
you.
y'all work it out, just let Pat know. That would be a wonderful thing.
Thank you, Honor. Bye-bye.
All right, thanks. You're out of here. That's all I got for you. Armando Martinez.
Here, Judge. Good afternoon, Judge.
You're the man. Talk to me about Cesar Martinez Acosta. Martinez.
I'm in contact with him, Judge. I spoke to him again and continuously. There is an immigration issue. I don't represent him on these immigration cases. He's in removal proceedings. The law firm of Mr. DeMott represents him. They asked me to request one last reset. They're in the process of completing his DACA applications. So I don't anticipate a trial, Judge, but I'd like to see if I can get also an offer on the case. I don't believe that I have an offer.
How much time do y'all need?
Judge, 30 days is reasonable for me, if
All right,
it's okay with the court.
Let's reset 30 days and the state gives you time to look at it. There are actually 2 cases pending, a DWI first, it looks like, and a driving while license invalid, it looks like.
That is correct, Judge.
And okay, we'll just reset 30 days and we'll see you then. Thank you, Armando.
Thank you, Judge.
Edward Bravanek. Ed not with us today?
He is, Your Honor.
I don't see him. I
I
don't
was
hear.
trying to
Oh, I do see him. Can you, your microphone's turned off, Eddie. There you go. Can you hear us?
Nope.
Now it turned back off again. I don't know what's going on with your microphone.
There you
Now it's
go.
moving. All right. Talk
Can
to
you-
me about
can you hear me
Jose
now?
Muniz, please.
He's got a felony.
He does. It doesn't show a felony. Is it coming down?
I guess what I'm saying is I'd request a reset till we resolve the felony.
What is the felony that's pending? Do we know?
It's evading detention motor vehicle. It's the same incident.
Is it the same?
I've asked for 8 days, please, on the felony.
Let's just reset this on the jury trial docket, which buys us time to January to give you time to try to work all this out. Will that work?
Sure.
State, I assume you're going to want to try to do both these at the same time, are you not? You don't want to go forward on the DWI and then lose the
Your Honor,
felony.
I don't see a felony, Your Honor.
Judge, yeah, it looks like the felony was closed out to be
It was
used as
closed out.
punishment, for the misdemeanor, so.
Exactly. There is no felony.
Good
Okay,
job,
well, no one
Dominic.
told me
Well done.
that.
You ran him off on the felony.
Yeah, the less I get involved, the better things go. I don't know. 8 days, please, on this case? 8 days?
Sure.
I think I got a smile somewhere. Judge, have I been sent an offer, young prosecutor?
Let's do this. Let's reset 2 weeks. Give the state a chance to confirm the felony's been dismissed and not going to get
Your Honor,
refiled.
an offer, it appears an offer was made earlier this year. I can resend it though.
Please resend it. Let's just reset this one 2 weeks. Is that okay, Eddie?
Yes, Judge, I appreciate it. Thanks.
That's the plan. That's all I got for you that I see.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, thanks. Ross Brendel. There he is.
I'm here.
Talk to you about Jandra Martinez, please.
I have contact with her, of course, and she was transferred into this court on VTC, and I recently filed a motion to remove her scram condition, which the VTC court said that it would be for 30 days. She successfully completed that, so hoping that we can get that removed so she can proceed to work. And then I have some other cases also. I can email you about that afterwards too.
Okay. Chris, is this lady on your radar for VTC?
She was in VTC, but she was transferred back into County Court 6.
All right, so she was rejected from the VTC?
Yes, Judge.
I guess you could say it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so we're not worried about VTC. Have you received an offer outside the VTC? She still gets credit for being a veteran.
I actually reached out to the prosecution today and asked them for offers, so they do know that I'm asking for one.
State, can you get
This
an
is the
offer
first
in a week
setting.
or so?
This is the first setting on it, so.
All right.
Yes, Your Honor, we can do that in a week.
Reset for a week and the state will send you an offer and we can go from there. And if you need more time, just let Pat know, okay?
Okay, thank you.
And you got another one, Ross, on Catherine Killen.
Catherine Killeen, I think is how it's pronounced. I'm actually sorting out some pretrial issues with her. So I believe we've had an offer, I think, and I'm just, or maybe not. Well, anyways, I'm just trying to sort out some pretrial issues with her. She might have a warrant out, so I want to.
She has a warrant on a third violation, high brack.
Okay.
My guess is there's a scram order attached to that. I don't know off the tip of my tongue, but that would be my guess.
Yeah, I'm going to sort that out, of course, before I do anything else.
All right.
So I'm going to ask for a reset on that one.
She's technically a fugitive on that one. Do we need to reset that, Pat? Or does she just stay a fugitive?
She stays a fugitive, Your Honor, until we can get that done, Your Honor.
All right. Well, as soon as you'll come up with a plan, track me down, Ross, and we'll go from there. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
You bet. And you've also got Emilio Zamora, who's also a fugitive, it would appear.
Yeah, I'm trying to sort out some pretrial issues. And also, I was trying to look his name up in the system to see if there was a bond set, or a bond increase, but I could not access that. So that's when I'm wondering if I need to.
There is
there
an active warrant. There is an active warrant for a high brack. There is no information filed at this time. There is
okay, so I'm
into that aspect of it.
Pat, I
just need to get the bond set.
Okay, good. Okay.
So I guess I should file a motion to set bond on that case. I don't know if there's a bond increase or not.
I'll look into it. I'll look into it, Mr. Brindell, and send you and let you know whether there is a bond set or not. I'm sure there is, but I will send it to you after we finish all of this. Okay.
Okay, great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And Ross, we've also got you on Joe Garcia.
He has an offer and he's still thinking some things over, but hopefully he'll give me an answer here. I know he had a situation where someone was helping him pay his legal expenses. So he wanted to do the considerate thing and ask him what they thought about it. So if I could just reset that for another week,
Sure.
That would be great.
That's the plan on that one. Then we'll reset a week.
Thank you.
And let's see if you got any more here.
That's it, Your Honor.
All right. You're out of here, Ross. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Caesar Montalvo, are you with us?
No, Your Honor, I don't see him.
Jerry Valdez, are you with us?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, yes, Judge. How you doing, Judge?
Oh, big time. Running the courthouse from my kitchen table. What's going on with Francisco Lopez Jimenez that says he's a fugitive?
Well, he probably is. You know, he doesn't want to come in and cooperate.
Are you in contact with him?
No, not at all. I've not heard from him at all.
Okay. All right.
That takes care of that one. How about Jasmine Canales?
Yes, I've got well, I won't say what kind of offer I got, but I got an offer from the state and I'm going to confer with my client and we'll probably set this for trial.
All right, just go ahead and just do that right now. And if that changes, just let Pat know. Will that work?
Excuse me?
We're going to go ahead and set it for a jury trial now. And if that changes and you're able to work it out, just let Pat know and pull you off the jury trial deal.
Yes, Judge, I'll let Pat know.
Then I'm not nickel and diming you, making you come back and forth every 2 weeks or something.
All right, thanks, Judge.
All right, thanks, Jerry. You're out of here.
Thanks.
Ray Martinez or Victoria, who's with us today?
They have not checked in, Your Honor.
All right. Daniel Garcia.
He's here.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
And I got Mr. Philip Windhorst, and he's a veteran, and he's got criminal trespasses ×2, it looks like. And one of them's set for trial, and the other one's not.
Well, Your Honor, he wants a trial.
Okay.
On both cases?
On both cases.
All right,
Okay.
let's do that.
I'll
Has he
set
been
them together.
interviewed? Has he been interviewed for VTC by Chris? Do we know?
He's been rejected, Your Honor.
All right. That's what I need to know. He's on the jury trial docket, and
I'll put them together, Your Honor.
not having any other problems. So that's all I got for you on those. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Lisa Voigt, you betcha. Thank you, sir. Lisa Voigt, talk to me about Lavon Lisumbu, it looks like.
We need just to get on the trial docket, Your Honor.
Okay.
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 And you are in contact with him, though, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, all good. And that's the only one it looks like I have for you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Stephanie Esparza.
She has not checked in, Your Honor.
Okay. Todd Coronado,
He has not checked in, Your Honor.
Doug Daniel.
I'm here on that one, Judge Jeb
All right. Talk to me about Alex Martinez, please.
Alex Martinez, I believe, has been recently accepted into vet court. And so we hope to be moving forward with that, Judge.
Okay.
Judge, on Alex Martinez, still pending decision to come down. So he hasn't been approved for anything yet.
I was misinformed. I'm sorry, Judge. Still awaiting decision.
Do we actually have his formal application file, Chris?
Yes, sir. I know Megan is strenuously working on a bunch right now, so he's going to probably be in the next batch.
Let's reset 30 days. How'll that work?
Sounds good, Judge.
Okay, that's good to go on that one. That's all I got for you, I think. Ed Bartlemy.
Okay.
Your Honor, no, but Stephanie has come in, Your Honor. Barza,
Stephanie Esparza.
just two.
Can you hear me, Steph? I see you. Your microphone's turned off.
I know, I'm so sorry. Yes,
Okay.
hello. Hey, Judge.
William, wait, you got a bunch of them today. William Swinehart, and he's a vet, it would appear.
He is, but he was not out. He lives out of county, and so they couldn't do the Veterans Treatment Court. So that was an option for him. But I did get an offer recently. Well, they had an offer from the DAs on him. I just need to talk to him about it.
You have an offer on both cases, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, so do you know what you want to do yet, or you need more time to figure it out?
I need to ask him if maybe, no, I need to talk to him in a little bit more time.
How much time you want, Steph?
Just,
2 weeks, maybe?
yes, that's fine.
All right, let's reset. Mr. Swinehart for 2 weeks.
Okay.
And you've also got Travante Lewis or Tyrell Lewis, it looks like.
That's correct, Your Honor. I got an offer earlier today from Megan for him to apply for pretrial diversion. So I just need to talk with him and see if we can get that done.
Pretrial on a criminal mischief or on the ABI family?
I think on both.
That's correct, Your Honor. Okay. Have y'all actually turned in formally your request for pretrial diversion on both of these cases, Steph?
No, I just got the offer. It's not really an offer, but I guess the agreement that he can apply, and so we have to do the application.
Okay, let's
And then we'll
reset.
find out.
Let's reset 2 weeks, and then once you confirm that you've actually turned in the formal application requesting pretrial diversion, let Pat know we reset for 30 days, okay?
Okay, yeah, that sounds good. All right,
And that's
thank
all I
you.
got for you, I think.
Todd
Yes, sir.
Coronado came in, Your Honor.
Todd, are you with us?
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Present, Your Honor. Yes,
Thank you,
sir.
Steph. Talk to me about Edgar Martinez, please.
Still waiting on a offer, please.
State, have you sent an offer on Mr. Martinez yet?
I dismissed that case, Your Honor.
All right,
did?
please do that. Let's reset a week on that one. Let's talk about.
Your Honor, I believe they dismissed that case.
Oh,
Is
they
that-
did?
Megan? Yes.
That's what I thought she said.
Good
Yes,
job,
that's correct.
Todd.
All right, I don't need an offer after all. Okay, cool. Thank you.
Even a blind squirrel finds an acorn, everyone. All right, talk to me about Frank Brown now.
Also need an offer on that one. He was a fugitive last week, but he's taking care of it. He's back on
Yes,
bond.
he has.
Yeah,
All these guys have handguns. Be nice to them.
exactly.
Okay, so have you received an offer on Mr. Brown yet?
Negative. No, sir.
All right, State, if you haven't already, please send an offer and we'll reset that one for a week.
Okay.
And you've also got a Mr. Eric Morales.
Yes, on this one, I have received an offer. We do have an agreement, so I just need to set it up for a plea.
But you're in touch
We
with
can
Yes, I'll
do
talk
it
to him.
this Thursday. If you send me an email address, as soon as you send it, we can do it this Thursday at 2:00.
Thursday at 2?
Yeah, but I need the email address ASAP.
Okay, I'll work on that.
Thanks.
all I
That's
got
it.
for you, Todd. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. My big excuse.
You bet. Sid
Thank
Greehey.
you.
Sid with us today?
No, Your Honor, not yet.
Sean Farmer.
He's here, Your Honor.
Hello, Your Honor. I'm here.
You're the man. Talk to me about Emily Mulatto, please.
I was hoping to confer with the state. I've requested the discovery, and this is the first setting, and she should be present.
She
What are you,
is.
I'm sorry, what are you missing on discovery? Videos, stuff like that?
Yes.
All right, we're having, last I heard from the state, they're having a tremendous problem getting videos from all the police agencies. Let's reset this for a jury trial with your permission, with the understanding, if you get your discovery before the jury trial comes and goes, just let Pat know if y'all worked it out or not. Otherwise, we'll see you in January. Will that work?
Yes, Your Honor. I also have another case that is not on your docket. I'm uncertain if you can address it.
Which one's that? I don't see it.
It's under, cause it's not on your docket. It's under 657-492 for Cedric Sanchez. I'd previously represented him for an MTR, and then you modified his conditions of release, and he had weekly tested. However, there was a violation report, I guess, that was submitted, and a warrant was issued for his arrest. And I have not received a copy of the violation report, but apparently there's an order that was signed that no bond should be issued for him. I'm uncertain how to proceed because
Okay, Mr.
I like
Farmer,
that.
Mr. Farmer, once you have taken care of an MTR, you're off of it. So
Okay.
if he picks up another MTR, another attorney will be assigned to him if he does not hire another attorney.
Okay, well, I was gonna represent him for the
So
new
you're going
MTR.
to be hired on it as soon as you
Yes.
notice of retained counsel, then you can approach the CLO, Susan Gross, on it, and she'll send you all the information.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
All right. Thanks, Mr. Farmer. Adam Flores.
I do not have.
Your Honor, we're here, Your Honor.
Oh, there
Me
he
and
is.
my client. We're here, Your Honor.
All right, talk to me about Javier Ruiz, please.
Yes, Your Honor, we're here. We're ready to take the deal, Your Honor, but we're just asking the ADA reduce the fine to $1.
I missed that. Will you ask what now? I'm sorry.
We just want to make one counter offer to the DA.
That's all well and good. I just can't let you do it right now because we're in the middle of an arraignment docket.
Okay.
If you want to come back at 3:30 today, we can let you chat with them. Otherwise, you can reset for a week to give you time to get with availability. Will that
I'll come
work?
back at 3:30, Your Honor. I'll come back. That's fine.
Okay.
All right. In
I
the
sent
meantime,
her
Pat-
an email. Yeah.
Okay, Pat, just put it to keep us on a radar, reset them for a week. But in the meantime, if y'all come back at 3:30 and talk about it, he's also got a violation report and maybe a warrant out. I guess he does.
He does.
Yeah.
He does, Your Honor. He has a warrant.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. We take the deal today, Your Honor, but we'll come back at
All right.
3:30 for sure.
Thank you.
Thank God.
All right, Roy Barrera, talk to me about Patty Gover.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I have Patty Grover on standby. I have not yet conferred with the DA as to an offer.
How about we have them send you an offer and we can reset. You can have 1 week or 2 weeks, whatever you need to get the offer, review it with your client, and get back with the state and fine tune it.
2 weeks is fine. Thank you
All
very
right,
much.
let's do that. And that's the only one I got for you, I think, Roy.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye.
And Mary Petrozek, are you with us?
Your Honor, she just found out, she checked in, she found out that her client now has a brand new felony charge at large. So she requested a reset just to find out what is going on.
All right.
So I let her go and I will reset it.
All right. Jim Roundtree. There he is.
Hello, Judge.
Speak of the devil and he shall appear. Talk to me about Lee Davenport, please.
I actually do have an offer from Ms. Galloway. I don't think it's one that we want to take. He is a veteran, so I need to talk with him about possibly pursuing the VTC. Judge, I probably need.
He's not listed as a veteran on my docket for some reason. Chris,
Your Honor, I didn't have him flagged as a veteran, Your Honor, on the system.
Chris, are you familiar with Mr. Davenport?
I wouldn't think so, Judge.
No, sir, not at all.
All right. Tim, can you get Mr. Davenport in touch with Chris so they can see if he's going to be eligible for the VTC? I assume that would be something you'd be interested in.
Yes, and I will do that.
All right, let's reset a couple of weeks to get that going and get you contact. But the quicker he gets in touch with Chris, the quicker we can figure out what we're doing.
Yes.
I'll definitely let him
All
know.
right, so we reset 2 weeks. And that's the only one I got for you today, I think, Tim. You're slowing down.
Yes.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you, Judge.
All right, Alberto Rodriguez. I see him. He's right there. Alberto, talk to me about Antoinette Villalobos, please.
We can't hear you. There you go. We still can't hear you.
You hear me now?
Yes.
Yep.
I got it on. I got all my buttons pushed.
Talk to me about Antoinette Villalobos, please.
She's been given an offer. I discussed it with her. She does not want to take it, so we're asking for a trial setting.
Let's reset for jury trial. That's all I need to know. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Renee Munoz.
I don't have him in, Your Honor.
It's me, Michael Weston, sir. I was appointed to Rene Munoz, but he's at trial.
Okay, well, Your Honor, that's the defendant. And he's saying Mr. Munoz is in trial. So that's what. So we'll
Okay, let's just reset him for a week.
Yes.
Is this Mr. Serio? I can't.
No, Mr. Weston.
Oh, Mr. Weston. Let's just reset for same time next week. So it's next Tuesday at 2 again. And probably your attorney will be out of trial by then.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, thanks.
Have a good day.
Mm-hmm.
And Judge Barron's called and says they're all ill and they can't show up. So we're going to have to reset those for a week on Mr. Ramirez and Mr. Estman.
Okay.
And is Marshall White with us today?
Not yet, Your Honor. That's at 3 o'clock, but we have now Victoria Cruz has come in for Mr. Martinez.
Okay.
Luis Martinez in, Your Honor, and also Cesar Montalvo. And Rolando, I'm not sure who you're here for because I do not see you.
Yes, ma'am. I talked to Judge in the morning. He told me to log on at 2 for Mr. Christian Falso.
This is an add-on. Let's talk about Victoria. Talk to me about Jose Garcia, please.
Yes, Your Honor. Defendant is present in my office. I'm not quite sure if he's logged on, but he's here because he's.
Okay.
I've got an ABI married, a possession of PG3. It was a pill of tramadol, and a DWI 2. There is no video. The DWI is breath. I would love video because they're all based on very fishy stops, but I have a feeling we should just put it on a jury trial docket.
Let's reset all those on jury trial docket with the understanding if you get something worked out, just let Pat know. Will that work?
Yes, absolutely. And I'll email Galloway as well because I think we can work them out.
All right, great.
Okay,
That's the only one I got for you, I think. Thank you, Victoria. Cesar, talk to me about Arlenis Beltran, it looks like.
Yes.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Yes, so last time we were here, she has a total of two cases, prostitution. We'd requested an offer from the state. She has immigration issues. I still don't have those offers, so I suppose we could just set them on the jury trial docket, and maybe we can work it out between now and then.
How many cases does she have pending? 2? Does that sound right?
2, Your Honor.
Okay, set on jury trial docket and state if you haven't already sent them an offer, please send offers on
Judge,
those.
one quick thing. So a previous ADA had made a recommendation for pretrial diversion in this case where she was rejected. And so it was recommended that the defendant apply to Esperanza Court. So what is the status of that?
At this time, she's not applied. Last time, ADA and myself we're trying to figure out what the logistics were for Esperanza Court. I don't think anybody, including the court, knew what the logistics were. But at this point, she's not applied.
Cesar, take me by the hand here. Explain to me why your client would not be interested in pretrial diversion. Isn't that the burden?
No, they rejected her, Your Honor.
She was
They rejected her.
rejected. She was rejected. That's correct, Your Honor.
Oh, rejected. I got it.
Yes.
I thought she rejected PTD. They rejected her. That's different.
No, she would otherwise take that, of course.
I got you. All right. So state you're on top of that one, right? And we're setting up for a jury trial. So Cesar, that's all I got for you, I think.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
And who else is here?
We have Luis Martinez, Mike Benvenu, and Amari, and James Dwiggins, and Rolando is supposed to, I believe, talk to you about something else. So
Sophie Martinez in yet?
no.
Ron Funari in yet?
No.
It's not 3 o'clock yet. These are all 3 o'clock people, right?
Yes, Judge, I'm here for 3. Memorial.
Yeah, they're here for 3, I believe. Yes,
All
Your
right,
Honor.
let me see here. I got Mr. Dwiggins. Mr.
Yes.
Dwiggins, talk to me about Sabrina Garcia, please.
Judge, I think it'd be a good case for pretrial diversion. I just need the go ahead from the ADAs. If they can
Hey,
give me the thumbs up.
can we apply to PTD on Ms. Garcia?
Your Honor, I'd have to check the case and look over the facts before I could.
How much time you need
commit
to do that?
to
1
PTD.
week or 2 weeks? Eddie?
Yes, Your Honor. Can you hear me?
About 2 weeks. Will that work?
That works. Thank you.
All right. Mr. Dwiggins, if you don't hear from the state within 2 weeks, call them up.
All right, and Judge, I have a question. I have an MTR in your court tomorrow morning.
You do, or one of your clients does?
Well, one of my clients does.
Okay, that'd be different. Go ahead.
Yeah, she's on bond. Is it on Zoom? I have a Zoom
Yes.
link. It's all
Yes.
on Zoom? Okay.
Yes, yes.
All right,
And if
thank
you
you.
don't have a Zoom link, I will send you another one, Mr. Durgans, just in case.
All right. Thank you all.
All right,
Appreciate it. See you
thanks.
tomorrow.
And we do have her paperwork.
All right, I'm looking for Lewis.
I'm looking for you, Judge.
And again, I don't see Lewis.
I don't see Lewis on my docket. I see Mr.
There is a-
Story on 2 or 3.
There's a Steven Herrera that's on your docket. I just got hired on that. We filed notice.
Stephen,
Another attorney appeared earlier.
it was Tony Hayek's, Your Honor. It is actually on the first page.
And Judge, we just got hired on that.
He
Follow the
was at the
process.
very first page, right after
right.
Graham and Gwen.
This is Stephen Herrera. He's a fugitive because he's got a warrant for
A new assault, Judge.
a new
Yes.
ABI family violence.
Yes,
We told Tony we'd reset it for 2 weeks to give him time to figure out what's going on and get with the state. Will that work for you, or do you want to do something else?
Judge, that's fine. I need to go ahead and confer with somebody on the case though. And then
You can come back at 3:30 and I can let you talk to him now in a Zoom breakout room, or you got 2 weeks to talk to him anytime they're available.
I'll just go ahead and email, but I need to get Mr. Herrera in to make bond on that case. And let me talk about what a bang up job the warrants officers are doing, because Mr. Herrera's on GPS on this underlying case, just sitting at home waiting. So
Okay. Anything else you need, Lewis?
he's got a 2,500 bond,
yeah, I understand. Yeah.
just so that you know.
And I've been trying to get permission from pretrial so they can come in and make that bond, and we haven't gotten that yet. So I'll
Okay.
continue to work on that.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thanks, Lewis. You're out of here. Mr. Memori, let me find you again.
Judge, I have 2 cases. I have a Keith
Correct.
Thompson. That's a DWI. We're still waiting for the blood results on that, Judge.
I got you on, is this on Terrell Kirk Jackson?
Judge, we were here on October 26th, and you asked that we be reset so state could give us an offer. They have not given us an offer.
Which case are we talking about?
We're talking about Terrell Kirk Jackson. That's the one you just
Okay.
called, evading
Which
arrest.
is an evading case. So state,
Yes,
have
Judge.
you done an offer on this one yet?
No, Your Honor, not at this time.
All right, do me a favor, let's reset this one for a week. Mr. Memori, if that gives you enough time, you can have 2 if you want it, and they'll send you an offer, and then you can chat with your client and chat with them and see if you can fine tune it. And if that doesn't work, then we can put you on the trial docket whenever you're ready.
So who is going to email it to me? Are you, Mr. Villarreal?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll make a note of that, and I'll email you then. Okay, then next one, Judge, is Keith Thompson, 670-788.
Right.
EWI, no blood. We're waiting for results.
Your Honor, he has an active warrant for non-enrollment for Smart Start Mobile.
Get him on a Smart Start Mobile at 4 blows a day and just let me know and I'll pull all the warrant stuff back.
When do you want him on the Smart Start, Judge?
Yesterday at 2 o'clock.
Okay, I will get him to contact pretrial and get on it. If not, the warrant will stand.
That's correct.
Okay, Judge.
Correct. All right,
Cal,
thanks.
are we coming back next Tuesday on Terrell Kirk Jackson?
Yes.
Yeah,
Thank you. May I be excused?
you bet. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Bye-bye.
And Mr. Bellevue, I'm looking for you.
On Travis Bettis. He's above Mr. Mamar.
Got it. Mike, Travis Perez, please.
Yes, I do have contact with him. We do have an offer and we are going to take it.
Please,
This Thursday at 2?
What day?
Thursday at 2?
I think I'm going to be stuck forever in County Court 2 on Thursday.
Never mind. Okay, the 10th at 2. The 10th at 2 o'clock, and I need the email.
Okay, I'll send that to you.
Mr. Bellevue, I know I sent you 2 offers, so when you have a chance, can you just email me back which one you're gonna accept, please?
Sure.
Thank you.
All right, thanks, Mike. You're out of here. And we got any other defense counsel?
Oh, Rolando,
Arguelles.
you told him to sign in. I don't know.
No, this is on, what's the name of your client that we were talking about? I apologize.
Christian Fausto, Judge.
Oh, yeah, the one that has the affidavit of sureties.
He's,
Yes.
I asked Megan to look into these cases. Apparently he's got a terroristic threat and a criminal mischief. Does that sound right?
That's correct,
Criminal
Judge.
mischief.
The same incident or
Yes,
same
Judge.
person?
Yes.
Well, apparently you've done good on slowing him down on having any more issues right now, but in my mind, he's not eligible for a PR bond based on the seriousness of his offenses. What was the problem with his first bond? Why did he go off of that?
My guess is, Judge, that he failed to report due to him not being here. He's currently, I believe, in Illinois.
Yeah, in Illinois.
Who gave him permission to go to Illinois?
Oh, your guess is as good as mine. I believe he was seeking. Yeah.
Well, basically, he stays a fugitive until he gets something figured out. Obviously, you can still wheel and deal and communicate with him in Illinois, but he doesn't have my permission to be there.
Correct. I want to see if I can talk to one of the ADAs and maybe we can get the case resolved, Judge.
You know, can one of you guys talk to him right now? We don't have any other business pending, it would appear.
Yes, I can go in a breakout room with him.
Okay, I'm going to put you all in one for right now, and if more people come in, I'll let you all know. Okay, Rolando, I'm sending you in one.
Mr. Villarreal will just have to handle it.
I'm going to take us off of YouTube.
Okay.